By July 25, Fetch might lose 4.6% per coin data flow. But first, let's check what the price has been doing today. Fetch has retreated 0.8% over the past day and is trading near the $0.1536 mark. Let's head into the forecast segment. CoinDataFlow's data implies a dip to $0.1464 by July 25, suggesting a decline of about 4.6%. 30 rates puts Fetch's target at $0.1486, about 3.2% down from now. CoinCodex highlights the possibility of advancing to $0.1547, a rise close to 0.8%. A separate projection by Gov Capital Collector highlights Fetch could reach $0.1591, an increase of approximately 3.6%. And in closing, Crypto Predictions highlights a rise to $0.1769 by tomorrow with a 15.2% gain. This is the most profitable forecast reviewed. That's all 5 opinions on tomorrow. Let's see what's next. All forecasts considered, here's the overall summary. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a decrease of 4.6% and an increase of 15.2%, depending on the analyst. Ultimately, Crypto Predictions predicts the top return with 15.2% gain in value by tomorrow. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $8 and $152 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast ranks as the strongest, with an 82.8% chance of success. From all the forecasts combined, I've created one consolidated scenario. The consensus outlook indicates a possible 2.4% gain for Fetch. Here's the full picture. Consensus modeling indicates a 2.4% move higher. And on that same note, your capital could also increase by about 2.4%. For a 1,000 example, this could show a potential profit of around $24. So in terms of chances, the consensus outlook for Fetch is placed at roughly 68.4%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. CoinDataFlow expects Fetch to head lower. Additionally, 30 rates forecasts Fetch moving lower. Further appreciation is projected by CoinCodex. Upside potential is additionally noted by Gov Capital Collector, who stays optimistic. Similarly, Crypto Predictions suggests the short-term path is upward. When looking at all forecasts side by side, the consensus clearly highlights an upward direction for Fetch in the short term. From this overview, the majority stance signals Fetch could climb in the short term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. As a result, the end-of-day value came to $0.1522. Just one forecast got the direction right. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from Coin Price Forecast. Time to spell it out. Yesterday's close confirmed 2 forecasts inside the candle. For ROI, multiple analysts achieved profits, though Coin Price Forecast held the top spot at 1.4%. Here's the daily summary, how every forecast actually worked out. Also worth noting, CoinCodex had a forecast probability of 84.6% accuracy and 0.9% ROI. Take a glance and see who achieved the most accurate forecast. Now you'll see how tomorrow's potential gains look for Fetch compared with other assets. Forecast comparisons place Fetch at second place, with Dogecoin forecasting 3.8%. Here we're looking at Fetch and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full profitability comparison is already published on my website. We're wrapping up here. If the video helped you stay updated faster, a like would be awesome. Talk soon.